Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix HDFC Bank cannot log in. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're here, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, head over to the search bar and then search for the HDFC Bank app on your device. Scroll down, hit storage and cache, clear the cache of your HDFC Bank app. The other thing that you must do is simply head over to your app drawer, search for the HDFC Bank app. Once you're inside the HDFC Bank app, make sure that the credentials that you're trying to enter are correct and the verification methods that you have set up are active. If the issue still persists, then what you can try and do is head over to Play Store on your device, head over to the search bar and then search for HDFC Bank inside your search bar, update the app to the latest version and try again. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your app drawer, search for HDFC Bank, long press on it, uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store. If this still does not solve the issue, then you will probably have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.